Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see how to use the accelerometer and compass of BBC Microbit. So this is the first program from Microbit import star. In this program, we are going to see how to use the accelerometer to check if the BBC Microbit is leaning to left or right. So while true, reading equals to accelerometer dot get x. If reading is greater than 20, display dot show h. Sorry, it should be r. R for right. Else display dot show L. Else display dot show and hyphen. So let us go ahead and flash it to the BBC Microbit. The code is very simple. We are just getting the readings of accelerometer for x-axis, and if the reading is greater than 20, then it is R, otherwise L. Okay, so here it should be in place of else, it should be elif. Reading is less than minus 20. Okay, so this is the condition for right, this is the condition for left, and otherwise it is going to show a hyphen or a dash. So let us save it, check it for problem. So it says awesome, 0 problems found, and let us flash it. Okay, so the code has been flashed to BBC Microbit, and let us go ahead and check the output. So this is right, this is left, and this is in between. Okay, this is left, this is leaning to right. So this is how we can use the accelerometer to check if the BBC Microbit is tilting towards left or right. Similarly, we can check if it is tilting to back or front. So let us save this and create a new code, and let us save the new program also. I'm going to save it with name prog11.py, and we just need to make a small change. So here we just need to say y, and here we just need to say h, and here, sorry, it should be b for backwards, and f for forward. So I'm just going to save it, check for any errors, and flash it to BBC Microbit. Now let us go ahead and see the output. So this is back, and this is front, and this is balanced. So let us go ahead and see another example. Now in this new example, we are going to see how to recognize the gestures. So I'm just going to copy the entire code as it is, and here I'm going to say current gesture. Okay, so current gesture is the function that returns the current gesture. And here in place of reading, I am just going to say gesture. So let us delete this entire part and customize the code. If equals to face up, then display dot show image dot happy. Copy. And here I am going to say elif gesture equals to face down. Here we are going to say angry. So let us copy this entire block and keep on pasting it here. And finally else display dot show. Okay, so I forgot the semicolon. Surprised. So let us make modifications to all the other stuff. So let's say up and down. Up here and down. So these are all the conditions. So here let us say left and right, left and right. So it is happy, angry. Let us say smile, sad, and let us say confused. Free fall, 3G, 6G, 8G, shake, save, and prog 12.py. So here there are few additional gestures like free fall, 3G, 6G, 8G, and shake. So you might want to write your own customized code to tackle those conditions. So as of now, we are just handling 6 different gestures. So the first one is face up, second one is face down, up, down, left, and right. Okay. So for every gesture that we are handling, we are going to show a different graphics on the 5x5 LED. So I'm just going to check the code and it says there is some syntax error. So let us see what is the problem. So basically it has to be equal to. So I'm going to check it again. Let us save it and check it. Okay, so it says awesome, 0 problems found. And let us go ahead and flash it to the BBC microbit to see the output. So the code has been flashed. So let us go ahead and see the output on BBC microbit. So this is face up, this is left, this is right, and you can try the other gestures on your own. So these were a few examples done with accelerometer. So thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries, or comments related to this part of BBC microbit. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.